So, the rudder is the primary control surface that causes an aircraft to yaw or move about the vertical axis. This actually provides directional control and, points the nose of the aircraft in the direction you want. Most aircraft have a single rudder that's hinged to the trailing edge of the vertical stabilizer. It's controlled by a pair of foot-operated rudder pedals in the cockpit. When the right pedal is pushed forward, it deflects the rudder to the right, which moves the nose of the aircraft to the right. The left pedal is rigged to simultaneously move aft, and when the left pedal is pushed forward, the nose of the aircraft moves to the left. As with the other primary flight controls, the transfer of the movement of the cockpit controls to the rudder, it varies with the complexity of the aircraft. Many aircraft actually incorporate the directional movement of the nose or tail wheel into the rudder control system for ground operation. This allows the operator to steer the aircraft with the rudder pedals during taxi when the airspeed isn't high enough for the control surfaces to be effective. So some large aircraft have what's called a split rudder arrangement. This is actually two rudders, one above the other. At low speeds, both rudders deflect in the same direction when the pedals are pushed. But at higher speeds, one of the rudders becomes inoperative, since the deflection of just a single rudder is aerodynamically sufficient to maneuver the aircraft. In flight, most large aircraft, oscillate slightly from side to side. Yaw dampener units automatically detect this movement and send signals to the hydraulic power control unit, or PCU, that moves the rudder so that it can correct for these yaw oscillations. Similarly, rudders are known to deflect without being commanded to do so by the flight crew. Again, the yaw dampener is designed to correct the fluctuations by signaling the PCU. However, too large of an involuntary deflection to a rudder can actually cause a loss of control of the aircraft. A rudder limiter is fitted to many aircraft to prevent any more than just a few degrees of involuntary motion of the rudder. Basically, it limits the movement unless it's commanded from the flight deck.